So hello and welcome back to Javed Thakur's vlog. So today in this vlog I'm basically going to share something what I experienced with my mobile camera and what it did, what were the after effects of it, basically what damages I had to pay and what solution I got out of it. So let's get into the video right now without wasting any time. So guess what guys, what happened with me? I learned an expensive lesson by damaging my 12 Pro Max camera. Camera means the motion sensor, the one which can zoom in and take things on a high definition. I screwed that camera. How did that happen? Okay, the main thing is how क्यों हुआ ये? So basically the main reason is I have a Dominar and I have a 1000sx. So Dominar ka vibration as a single cylinder, everyone knows it's unbelievable. Yani dhan, but not that much as I'm telling, but it has quite good amount of vibration. So vibration affected my mobile camera. Okay, now this is not specifically only for iPhone people. It is for anyone who is using expensive phones which has good high definition of recording videos and good capturing good images, especially for iPhone users, because तुम्हारे motion sensor iPhone के बहुत sensitive होते हैं. It is very sensitive, so you don't have many options in the market, but you have something called Quadlock. I know it is on the higher end, but common sense, if you want to use a phone which is like 1.5 lakh rupees, I think you can spend another 15 to 20k to save that expensive camera, right? Expensive mobile camera. So here is the entire system of the Quadlock. On the extreme left, you can see the Fox stem mount, the mobile camera cover, which is essential, then the wireless charger, which is the fast charger, and you see all this, and the most important portion is the vibration damper. Why do you need the Quadlock, right? So basically, saving your expensive mobiles, if it is essential to you to save it, then this is the only solution in the market at the moment. And they have been in the market for a very long time. So yes, this has already, because I do not have this, I have already damaged my 12 Pro Max Pro, and I regret why I did not think about this earlier. So just sharing my views for you to save, if you can, save your cameras, expensive camera phones. So the cost of this entire unit is 20k INR, and this is my 12 Pro Max which was damaged. So basically all the vibration which is coming from your handlebar or your stem mount or any place, this is what the vibration damper actually absorbs. This is what you're seeing here, right? This is what absorbs all the damping. It does not goes to your phone. So once this is mounted on the bike, I will show it to you. A very nice material for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The locking system is nice, and the material and the smoothness of this case is, I find it's really decent. So let's put the phone inside and see it. This is the cover of Quadlock, and when I compare it to the iPhone 13 original silicone cover, if you go to see even the quality, this Quadlock's material and the thickness and the safety guards, even on the front line of the screen, it's very secured. So yes, I totally agree to have this Quadlock system, because I believe that it's going to save my 1.5 lakh rupees telephone from damaging this amazing sexy cameras, right? So I'll put the damper in the bike now.
का ऊपर डालता हूँ। हाँ, ये सब आप कनेक्ट करेंगे। इसको कहीं माउंट करना पड़ेगा ना? हाँ सर, कर। ये माउंट अच्छा है RAM माउंट से, लेकिन आईफोन के लिए ही चलता है।
नहीं, उसका बाकी भी तो फ़ोन केसेस अवेलेबल है ना, बाकी भी तो मिलता है, सैमसंग का भी मिल जाता है उसका।
So finally the cord lock with the stemp and the damper has been installed, as you can see here. Now there was a challenge installing the stem mount, but as I told you, there is a small wing and a fat wing. So what I did was the fatter portion of the wing, I installed it from the lower portion. It was a difficult task, but some way managed to do it, because the smaller wing does not captures into this portion, because the stem mount is basically hexagon. So I didn't manage that. So you can see this, it's strong enough. And yes, so you can switch on the charging mode. There's a button here, lower portion, this one, if you can see. This is a on off button, but I have not made it direct to the battery. So if I switch off the ignition, this will not switch on, so no much drainage of battery. So this is the steering, this is the damper. When you see this, all the vibrations will be damped here, so nothing is going to affect your phone. You see this? This is the beauty of Quadlock. So that's it for now. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like it, share it with your fellow friends and riders who are looking for such solutions. It is a bit on the expensive side, but I can tell you it's worth it. Okay, so love you all, take care, be safe, wear gears always, and please be disciplined in your riding. Love you. Bye bye.